Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain you how you can write a program on Frameset and frame tag. Let us start with the notepad. Open the notepad and then type opening HTML tag, then opening header tag, then next will be the opening title tag, and type the title, say HTML frames, and close the title tag, then close the header tag. Okay, and next use the Frameset tag and rows attribute equals to opening double quotation. Okay, use 30%, comma 40%, comma 30%. Assume that we are using the 3 frames, hence I am using the 3 values for the rows. So these 30%, 40% and 30% are nothing but the size of the window. Okay, size of the window, or you can say the frame. Okay, now let us start with the frame tag. Frame src attribute equals to opening double quotation. Okay, now here in the double quote we need to mention the address of the file which we want to display in the frame. Now what I do, I just minimize, assume that this file I want. Okay, so just right click on it, select the property, select the location, just copy the location. Okay, and paste in the double quote. Okay, and the name of the file is text.html. So mention text.html. Okay, so just copy this line. Okay, paste it in the next line and just change the file name image. Okay, because second file is there image and third is the marquee. I want these 3 files should be displayed in a single screen. The screen is divided into frame, and each frame I want to display the text file, image file and marquee file. Okay, marquee. Now this is the end of the 3 frames. Okay, so next I will close the Frameset tag and then I close the HTML tag. Okay, now I will click on this file and click on the save. Okay, I will save the file with frame name .html, frame.html. I am saving on desktop. Just click on save. Okay, minimize this file and you can find frame file is available on the desktop. Just double click on the frame and you can find the 3 files is going to appear in the single screen. The screen is divided into 3 frames. Okay, now this is in the rows order. Okay, what I do, just I will go to notepad and just I will change to calls. Okay, just save the changes and minimize this document. Here just refresh it. Okay, so this is the column order. Okay, and note that Frameset and frames are not used in the HTML5. Okay, so these are used in HTML4. If you have HTML5, go for the iframe. Okay, so this is how you can use the Frameset tag and frame tag. Okay, so thank you for watching.